Discovering DigiFact devices on an IP network. Once the DigiFact devices have been plugged into an appropriate PoE switch, download the Louroe DigiFact Discovery tool from the Louroe website. You can either download the tool from this main DigiFact page or from the specific product pages, in this case, the DigiFact 830 for example. Once the tool has been downloaded, double-click on the tool and it should open up using your PC's default web browsing application. Once the tool opens up, the tool will automatically read your PC's IP address. If, for security reasons, the tool is unable to read your PC's IP address, follow the instructions in the IP address help section to modify the settings on your browser to allow the tool to read your PC's IP address. In this case, the tool has been able to read the PC's local IP address, hence I will close the help. In the Discovery tool, there are several scan buttons available. The most commonly used scan button is the Scan Specific Subnet button. If the tool is able to read the PC's IP address, it will automatically scan all addresses in that specific subnet. Hence, in this case, my PC's IP address is 10.10.10.103. Hence, the tool will scan all addresses in the 10.10.10 subnet. Another tool that's available is Scan Ad Hoc Subnets. This tool is to be used when there is no valid DHCP router available on the network. In this case, the DigiFact devices will default to a 169.x.x.x IP address. The Scan All Subnets button is to be used to scan for DigiFact devices that may be present on different subnets. Please note that the Scan All Subnets button will take a long time to complete. Hence, it is preferable to use the Scan Specific Subnet before trying to scan all subnets. The Scan My Subnet is the same tool that uses your PC's IP address and scans the same subnet. Refresh Device Table refreshes the table and looks for devices that may have been added to the network after the initial scan was completed. Once the devices have been located, the tool provides the following information: the device name, the IPv4 address, the default gateway, the subnet mask, the MAC address of each device, the firmware version, and the software serial number. Once the devices have been located, you may click on the IPv4 hyperlink to access the device's user interface.